It's the money shot.
My drag is not that loose. He's pulling.
Oh shit, Kaloy! Sweet Moses!
Hey guys, welcome back. This is the final episode of the Wid Boys series. Let me try to paint a picture of how our day begins. So we're practically sleeping on top of the water and we can hear the lapping noise of waves throughout the night, especially when it's windy. And then we wake up to monkeys howling, sometimes elephants calling, and then misty morning, and then we walk to the canteen for a nice breakfast before we head out again fishing.
Near the bamboo, where the bamboo goes into the water.
David with a little one here.
Put it under the overhanging branch. Now they are looking at it.
Trying another spot slightly further up.
Oh! Don't cast yet, huh? Okay, look at the leaves coming down. Okay, go.
So what happens sometimes is whenever the wind blows, things will be falling down from the trees.
Nice.
And then Mahseer will just go nuts into a feeding frenzy kind of mood.
One went for it, but...
So we sometimes take advantage of that and
yeah, nice.
time our cast according to when the wind blows.
They're around.
Yeah, well, they're kind of hanging out neutral underneath the vines there.
We walked a bit further upriver and we spotted some really nice fish. So this would be a fairly common sight. The fish will be holding position and waiting for food to drift by.
Eating the leaf. Oh, another one.
There's no falcon this year. Sea eagle.
Yeah.
Didn't see it yet. Did you guys see it last month?
No.
Maybe they got tired of shot it. Tired of harassing them.
So what's happening now is we are actually on higher ground, looking at the fish from the jungle, and we are planning our next move actually, because this area here is a bit difficult in the sense that if the fish sees us, that's it, we lose our chance. So David is slowly making his way down to get into position to make his cast, and I am staying back behind the bushes and I'm going to try to tell David what the fish are doing and if they move. Quite a few fish here, as you can see, and some of them are actually quite big.
Yeah. There's a lot of them there now. You can go for it if you want. Oh, there's a nice one right under that bamboo. It's the money shot.
making my way down to where David is. He made a beautiful cast, a long backhand cast no less, and put it right on target, and the fish just eat it without hesitation. Looks like a really nice fish too.
I can't even see the beetle. I put on a black beetle.
Let's see if it broke your record. They don't hesitate.
I think it probably did. My drag is not that loose.
Oh.
He's pulling. He's got my rod bent in half.
Five weight method gets the job done. Oh, nice fish. Yes! Alright. Let me see. It was a big explosion.
Yeah. I got it. That was violent.
Yeah.
Black and purple.
Humpy. Here's some fish slime.
Thank you.
Feels good.
Yeah, it's pretty strong.
Couldn't see the size.
Yeah. I'm glad we got him out of there. I thought he was going to wrap around the bend.
Yeah. No, generally they are not dirty fighters. Yeah.
In case you ever wondered, every single fish we catch here are released, casting to the same overhang, but now to the right and closer to the rock wall.
Another money shot.
That bounced off the rock, I think. Into the water.
Not a bad fish.
Yep. Oh. Try again on the left side. It's coming fast.
Many of us will have a catch of a lifetime or a fish of a lifetime. This is quite possibly Fendi saloi or giant gourami of a lifetime. What a catch.
Below 30 feet, I struggle a bit.
No, only like 30 feet. For girls, like 30 feet.
Oh no, I also yellow cocksucker.
I cannot see.
Lawin, Pasado, Sebarao. Oh shit, Kaloy! Sweet Moses. You got yourself a Kaloy?
think so.
Wait till you see the size.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's top one.
Holy He doesn't feel the net.
So you know we've been missing all the takes there 4-5 times. It's this very bugger.
That is amazing. The bloody thing doesn't fit in the net. Oh my god.
Big no, see I put the...
I would have given up all my pachus for this. All my pachus, bro. All my Subarus for this.
That's why I came back early. I don't fish anymore.
That looks like a 5 kilo.
I don't know how many kilo.
Color of a lifetime.
Actually.
I've never seen color.
I'll leave a link on top and down in the description where you can watch the full video of Fendi's fantastic catch. Over here I spotted an emperor snakehead, and as I observed a bit longer, I saw it was actually guarding some babies. And if you look carefully, there's actually a pair of the adults, and you see the babies coming up for air. The emperor snakehead has nice markings on their body, and they are one of the more rarer catch in the wild. They are almost always found in heavy structures, never out in the open. Like all snakeheads, they are air breeders, and they care for their young. Coming out some outtakes that I've included, which some of you might find entertaining. It will also give you some more insights to our trips. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It will help you a lot. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Shit, Kaloy!
But before
I want the cook to eat whatever they're eating in the ocean.
David, no more. Samuel is not S for Samuel.
His
David Sebarau David.
nickname now is Scarface Samuel Sebarau Slayer. All the S.
Yeah, that's super.
Oh yeah.
See, scars. Now go another way, the lips.
I think gone down already, kan? Gone down lah.
The fish is just telling
I
you.
don't even know where it's hooked.
See? Now you know how
Can't it be
we
easy?
feel.
You should have left it there. One year.
And he says there's